It's that time of year again, and everyone's thinking about the perfect Christmas present, and we think we've got it here. And it's from Hungry Minds and The Ultimate Guide to Rebuilding Civilization. Now, I love books. I'm not a TV person, and anything that keeps me entertained and engaged is unreal. Now, this book, it was created by artists, designers, engineers, architects, and just brilliant creative minds. And it is so well illustrated. I love something that one you can look at and engage, because I don't have that vision. I can't see it. And this book is perfect for it because it talks you through things step by step. It's over 400 pages and 23 chapters. And I just love the different content, the different bits and pieces about it. Now, I love the mechanics and the electricity chapters because they really do fascinate me, and it just draws you in. You want to read more, you want to learn more, you want to engage, and it does teach you how to do all of these things and how they did it and how they discovered it in the first place as well. The entertainment value of this book is incredible, even to the point at which we've got Santa designing a new sleigh in a gyroplane, which for me it's absolutely hilarious. And it talks about how he could be more efficient and how he could help deliver the goods in hard to reach places. So yeah, really good read, really interesting. So absolutely love it. Now, it is the perfect Christmas present. If you click the link in the description right now, you'll get a special Christmas discount and enjoy the book. I'm going to get back to reading.